so we just got off our scooters here at Suahand Beach, and we just walked up to the nearest. We just walked up to the nearest sort of boat ferry agency we could see. First, people offered us return tickets for 600,000, which is very expensive. Then she straight away went down to 500,000, and then this other guy just came along and was like, no, I can give it to you for 400,000. So that's the ticket we've got. Return ticket to Nusa Penida, 400,000, and we're leaving in 10 minutes. So these are the various boat companies that go to Nusa Penida. You got to bargain hard, make sure you don't pay the first price they quote you. So everyone puts their shoes in this big basket because you can't wear shoes bit onto the boat. Okay, I'm gonna try and talk and drive. Luckily Amanda's doing the videoing. We're trying to find Atuh Beach. The road is insane. It is so bad. It is so bumpy. There's signposts, but the road is really bad and we keep getting lost. So, oh, that's really close to my face.
We made some friends as well. Yeah.
We have just made it to our first stop today on our Nusa Penida adventure. We are here at the Atuh Beach viewpoint. It took us about maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes to drive from where we're staying. So you can see Atuh Beach there behind me. And you can also see this beautiful sea arch, and just, oh, the color of the water is just gorgeous. This place is stunning. Okay, after driving down possibly the worst road I've ever driven on, and there are a lot of bad roads here on Nusa Penida. It was really atrocious, so we've been driving down it for about the last 30 minutes. We finally made it here to Suahand Beach, which isn't actually where we were going, where we're here. We found a pretty cool eco tree house. They look pretty cool. It's called Suahand Cliff Treehouse Eco Tourist Roomstay. What do you think, Amanda? Do they look cool?
I would stay here.
It would be so amazing waking up. Yeah, we might have to stay here. We'll go say hello to the guys. Hello. Apakabar. Yeah. Suahand Beach. Check out the views. It's so beautiful here. So there's a little community temple here as you walk down to the beach. Pura Pusser. It's honestly been quite a funny adventure so far. It seems everyone in Nusa Penida gets lost all the time. So we had these two guys from Venezuela stop us and ask for directions. Whoa, look at this view. Oh, sorry. And then we had this English couple ask us, and we sort of played cat and mouse with them for a while. There's no way this goes down to a beach. This is insane. This is hilarious. There's a little sign here on the path, on the side of a cliff. There's no one around, and the sign says, "Don't forget to follow and tag us on Instagram." We are on our way back to our hotel, and we've just stopped here, which is very close to Teletubbies Hill, and we are checking out this amazing sunset. Okay, so it's kind of dark. We are on our way back from the beach, heading back to our hotel in the main town of Nusa Penida. But we had to stop off here at Teletubbies Hill. Literally, if you look it up on Google Maps, there is a place in Nusa Penida called Teletubbies Hill. And it kind of does look like those funny green hills from the Teletubbies. Teletubbies. So this is the beautiful Crysal Bay. Last time I was here it was quite quiet. This time it's super busy. Guys, something awful just happened. A very good day just turned into a very bad day very quickly, as this idiot here just crashed her drone. Her €1,200 Mavic Pro drone is currently way up there in those trees. Oh, I don't know why I'm laughing. I want to cry, but there's nothing I can do about it. I have the exact GPS coordinates. I know that about 400 meters up there in the jungle, in those trees, is my drone. And I even have the crash video. You guys want to see it? Let's go. So yeah, it's literally a sheer cliff. There's no way I can climb up there. And even if I did get up there, I'm not sure how exactly I'm going to find it or climb this tree. The drone's still on and it can still take photos, it's still working, I just can't find it. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna have to accept defeat and keep my controller as a souvenir of my trip to Nusa Penida. Okay, so despite my little drone disaster earlier in the day, which is a bit of a bummer, and obviously I'm not going to have my drone out to take photos of this amazing place, but we've made it here to Kelingking Beach, which is otherwise known as the TRex Cliffs or TRex Beach. Kind of looks like a T-Rex if you look at it from up high. It's one of the best, kind of most well-known tourist spots here on Nusa Penida Island. I've been here before, but Amanda has never been here.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah. Yeah, so we both went to this beach in Greece together, and it kind of reminds us, it reminds me of this beach, so I'm looking forward to Amanda seeing it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh wow, it's exactly the same. This is better though, isn't it?
There are loads of good viewpoints here, so we're going to start right at the top, some of the best viewpoints, and then we're going to work our way down a little bit and check out some of the other places. There's a small little fence that you can follow and make your way down the steps. So it's pretty crazy. Gotta watch where your feet are going. Oh my god, guys, this hike is unbelievable. Everyone is like covered in sweat. It's really, really steep. You have to really, really climb up the sides. As you can see behind me. But wow, the views are so worth it. If you guys are looking for a good breakfast spot here on Nusa Penida, I really recommend coming to Secret Penida Cafe. It's quite near the port. It's super cute, very pink, very Instagrammable. They have very delicious smoothie bowls, really good coffee, and it's just a really cute place. Sadly, our time here on Nusa Penida is up. We are heading back to Bali. We've had an amazing time, and I definitely recommend for you guys to visit Nusa Penida. We only had 2 nights this time. I think you need 3 nights minimum to see everything on the island. And I have to say, I'm going to be very sad to say goodbye to this water.